like this in the car with, I don't know if the air conditioner was on or the window was open. You couldn't hear my voice. So let's hope that this is better today. So this is the field that we worked on yesterday. I got a lot more done than what I thought I probably would. And you know what? I don't even know what day it is anymore. So I don't know if we're on day 2. Are we on day 4? You know, where do I start? So I think I'm going to just start labeling this series with the day of the month. So this is October 2. And we will get this finished easily this morning, and then we're going to get moved to a different field. There she sits. I passed the boss on the road. There he comes. See him? I'm guessing that he had to try to find a spot where he could actually use his phone. And I don't see Kermit. I got so much stuff for the day. Radios and lunch, water, whatnot. He's not going for it.
No.
Oh, the window's coming down though. Hey, glad you joined the party.
What do you mean?
You been at the house?
I've been waiting down there for 30 minutes.
I've been waiting for him.
3.5 maybe. Oh, man.
Lee's gonna try to figure out what we're gonna do next. Some things that aren't quite ready, some things that are kind of ready. So he's trying to make a plan. In the meantime, Kermit and I are gonna get this finished. Shouldn't take very long. At least we got wind today. Helped blow all the dust off of the header, or the feeder house. Here we go. soybeans. The stems are a little bit pokey like a sticker. The pods are fuzzy like a caterpillar. See how it popped open? Try that again. Watch how it pops open. Just barely squeezed it. That pod pops open. Oh, we got a stink bug on here. See him? You do?
I do.
I guess I just need to get up and experience it. I'm not a morning person, Kermit. Okay.
I'll wait and make sure you make that start.
Okay. Good morning. It's October 3rd. Feels like summertime. High is supposed to be like 85 or something like that. I don't know. 95 on Saturday. I have a feeling we're going to pay for this eventually. Anyways, we are already back to work. The night was rather short, but it looks like today I'm going to have a little bit of some help. One of my granddaughters is going to come hang out with me today. So that'll be fun. See you later, Mom.
Daddy wanted Ryder to come by so bad.
I'm sure he did. He's probably not happy with you.
How does that go so fast?
It's lunchtime for Ladybug. Yes, it is almost 11 o'clock. There goes Lee. We don't have Kermit today. Maybe he'll show up later. See you, Lee. What?
I'm as tall as you.
I thought you were going to talk to me about bean hoppers. Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.